Video I will discuss how you can encrypt your files and send your files safely. So this is the folder, and I have created one file, personal file. So these are the contents of the file. For demo purpose, I am just showing you this message: hello everyone, I am Pankaj Singh, have a nice day. So it is just for demo purpose. You have sensitive content in your file, you may have important data to be sent. So this is the file I want to encrypt. Okay, so for encryption, you must visit this site, file-encryptor.net. so it is the website for file encryption. So here you can encrypt the file with sensitive contents, and it is AES encrypted, advanced encryption standard. So here you can drag one or multiple files, and maximum size is 100 MB, and you need to enter the password and the file will be encrypted. For example, I will show you the demo. Here you will click here, and my files are on the desktop and in the folder my files, and it is the file which I want to encrypt. So I have uploaded this file, personal.docs file I have uploaded, and here you will enter the password. For example, I am just entering the password, and then you just need to check or uncheck this. If you check it, it will also encrypt the file name, and if you uncheck it, it will not encrypt the file name, but it will encrypt the contents of the file. Encryption means the plain text will be converted into the cipher text, means no one else can read that data. So file will be encrypted. So just upload the file, and maximum size is 100 MB, and then enter the password, repeat password, check it if you also want to encrypt the file name, and then click on encrypt. And when you click on encrypt, it will take some time for the encryption. So just wait while it is being encrypted. And now see, the personal.docs file has been encrypted into this. The file name has also been encrypted using AES encryption. So this is the file that I have encrypted. You can download it. So click on download, and it will ask you your system path, and I will download this file in the same folder. So click on save. So when you click on save, and now just wait. Okay, so now when you click on encrypt, the file will be saved into this folder. Yeah, here it is the file which you have encrypted, and no one else can read this file, and no one will be able to understand which type of file is this. Okay, so it is the encrypted file. No one can open this file, no one can see the contents of this file. Now this file you can send to anyone with the password, and you just ask him to decrypt this file from the same website. Now I will tell you how you can decrypt this file. So this is the file that I have encrypted. So again, go to the website, refresh this page. Now suppose you have sent this file to your friend, and now your friend will open this website, and now he will drop this file, and now he will drop the file that I had encrypted. So I have encrypted this file. So your friend will open this file, the file will be uploaded, and he will enter the password, the same password you used for encryption. Your friend will use the same password for decryption, and he will enter the password, he will repeat the password, and now he will click on decrypt. So it will take some time for decryption. Now see, the encrypted file has been converted into again the unencrypted file, the normal file which you have created. So click on download, and now I will download in some other folder. So click on save. Now when you open this file, Just wait while it is being opened. So the file has been saved in the downloads folder. So here it is, the file. Here you will see the file. Just wait. So here is the file. Double click on the file. And see. And see the contents of the file. Hello everyone, the same contents. So this way you can encrypt the file, you can send the file, and you must also send the password for the decryption. So this is the file you have encrypted. So you can encrypt a large number of files from this website. Just refresh it and you can encrypt any file. You can set the password, you can send the file to anyone, and you can also share the password which you have used for the encryption. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, and if you want to know about what is encryption, you can read the articles from here. For example, it is using AES. AES is advanced encryption standard, and with the help of encryption we can encrypt the contents of the file, we can encrypt the file name also. So no one will be able to read the file name, no one will be able to read the contents of the file. So I hope you have understood the basic concept. Now you can easily encrypt your files and share your files, and your friend, anyone which have the password and which have the encrypted file, can decrypt the file to the original one. So thank you for watching this video.